What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the watch list here on Sunday. We're going to talk about what is going on this week and what you guys should all be looking forward to and what you guys should really be watching, to be 100% honest with you. So with that being said, let's go on ahead and jump right into this video. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, so I don't do a lot of these article videos, very rarely, but the news has been centered around COVID again, which is not great for the market. You guys watched it on Friday when President Trump and everything came out saying, we caught COVID, whatever, blah, 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 blah. And then the whole market fell, which was kind of expected. If you knew anything about what happens with COVID, the market falls. It's 100%. It happens. It's okay. You learn to live another day and fight another day. So the thing I want to talk about, those top 5 things to watch this. I never do these videos, but it's one of them that I actually agreed with pretty much all 5 of these. So I really wanted to go through this, and I will link down below, guys. If you guys want to read this article word for word, links down below. So Trump's COVID diagnosis fuels election uncertainty. Not only does it fuel the uncertainty, but it's killing the market, guys. To be 100% honest with you, every time something happens with Trump or something happens to the United States president, it doesn't even have to be Trump, the market falls. If something bad happens to it, there's a lot of uncertainty there in general, whether there's an election or not, and the market falls, guys. I want you guys to be 100% aware of that. I don't care if you're a Trump supporter, a Biden supporter. If you want to go vote for Harambe, go do whatever you want to do. This is what's still going to happen. The other thing, and I think this one is slightly bigger and it could cancel out number 1 very possibly, and this is the spotlight on stimulus incentives. And not only on intensifies is what it says on here, but the incentive of, it's not even really an incentive. Basically, they're just going to give you more money. And with all that being said, the jobs report, again, missed, I believe, on Thursday. Again, I don't remember looking at that, but we did talk about it on Thursday when it comes out. It comes out every Thursday. If you guys did not know this, something that definitely to be paid attention to and kind of figure out the way the market goes. The market didn't really care about that. They were more focused on the Trump and the COVID and all of that this week. But stimulus is a big thing that I think they're going to hold off until the election. I do truly believe that they've been holding off for months now. They're not really getting anywhere. There was some negotiations said on Friday that they went back in a little bit without anybody really knowing, is what I caught from it, and maybe agreed on more than what they thought they were going to agree on, and kind of found some common ground, which is a huge thing when it comes down to these negotiations. But anyway, here goes the other one. Market volatility to remain elevated, and why this is a big thing right here, number 3, and why I think you guys should all understand this one is because everybody asks me, when is swing trading going to come back? Swing trading can be back whenever you want it to be. The problem is the more volatile the market is, the riskier that is, because the amount of gap ups or gap downs, and those happen every day, but the odds of it actually going reverse on you can absolutely happen very easily in a volatile market. All that has got to happen is Trump's got to get sick. Your calls that you bought or the stock that you bought all of a sudden is now down 5%. If you're on an option, maybe it's 20%. That's how it happens. Again, that's why I've been buying stocks if I'm swing trading. There's been very few plays other than Amazon, SPY, and things like that I bought puts on or that I bought the actual stock on. But so Powell's speech, just so you guys know, if you guys are new to trading, this Powell speech happens about once a week normally, and this can make the market or break the market every single time that he talks. It can literally kill the rest of the week, or it can prop the rest of the week up. Jerome Powell is the man in the market. Again, you guys can read all this. These are things that definitely you do want to watch out for. There's an economic calendar posted in the free Facebook group. There's a link below to get to it. All you guys got to do is click on it. Shane posts videos, or not videos, but posts the articles every morning, I believe, and it shows you what time he's actually speaking, or if somebody's speaking on the economy, it shows up in there as well. The last one Eurozone Rescue Fund squabbles. This isn't one that I'm too worried about. I don't think it really affects as much, but finance between Brussels on Monday to discuss €750 billion coronavirus recovery fund, widely hailed as game-changing when it was announced earlier this year, but disagreements over how to funds to be distributed. And this reminds me of up here in the I can't even think of the stimulus. This reminds me of basically Europeans' stimulus funds is what it exists. And I could be 100% wrong, but that's what it reminds me of. It's kind of what it gives me the feeling of. So those are the things that I'm watching for. Those are the things that I would definitely make sure you guys are watching. Again, if Trump gets healthy, I think you're in for a way better week. And it seems like he is healthy now. I've seen a few articles people have sent me. Other than that, though, if you want 3 stocks to really watch and watch hard this week, I'm going to put SPY, SPY, also known as Spider, or QQQ. They're basically the same. I would watch for Amazon because it's a huge, huge portion of the S&P, and I would watch Apple. And why do I like those 3? One's the market. It's literally the overall market, the S&P 500, and it basically mimics the Dow as well. Or you go to Amazon, which again makes up a huge portion of it and usually follows the direction. It's very rare that it doesn't. And then Apple, because Apple is one of those that you can trade very, very well. It's very liquid. You can get in, you can get out. If you need to cut a loss, you can cut a loss. And not only that, but it makes very, very solid moves. And lately, it hasn't really cared where the market's been going. It's been based off of Apple. And that's kind of what I like, other than when SPY tanks. I mean, Amazon and Apple seem to actually turn around a little bit if they're going up higher. So that being said, guys, that is the watch list for tonight. If you need anything, you have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment, message me on Instagram, do whatever you got to do to get a hold of me. I am always here. Other than that, guys, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning.